Alright, in order to make a Kahoot or use one that's already been created, you're going to go to Kahoot and you're going to either create a login if you don't have one or log in yourself. It is free. Once you log in, you're going to be able to see that you can create your own if you have questions for like a quiz review, a certain unit review, or if you want to do like a get to know your teacher game or something, you can make your own. But there are tons of great ones already created. You go to Discover. You're going to be able to search different keywords. So I'm going to search teachers for this one. But you could search like third grade math, third grade fractions. You can be as specific as you want. Search. And then it's going to show you all different options of Kahoots that have already been created. And the one I'm going to assign today is this just for teachers one. So I'm going to click on it. And what you can do is you can do two different things. You can, when you click play, you can either do the version for your classroom. It's the same for virtual classrooms, but this works when you're one-to-one in your computers in your classroom, where the kids will go to kahoot.it and they will put in the game pin and they'll be able to tune in, and you're going to be able to see the questions on your board and the answer choices, and then they're going to be choosing them on their board. So it's really fun and the kids get super into it. But for distance learning purposes, I'm going to assign it. And what you can do is you can assign it and the kids can play at their own pace, but you give them a deadline. Like by Saturday at 10:30, you need to play this game. And then it will accumulate the top winners. So I'm going to assign this for you guys. And I'm going to give you guys until Sunday at 10 a.m. Okay, so that's when the game will stop. The challenge will be over. So what now you're going to be able to do is I'm going to give you, one second, I'm going to give you this website link. You're going to go to this link and then you're going to put in this game pin and you're going to be able to play the game. And then on Sunday when the game is over, the top 3 winners, I believe it's 3 or 4, will be accumulated here for me to be able to see and let everybody know who won the game. Now, if you play this with your students, same thing. They'll be able to use the link and the game pin, and they can play on their own with their family. We did this during distance learning, and we did like a whole school challenge on a book that we had been reading, the whole school had been reading, and then we did some fun prizes at the end so that were delivered to the kids' houses. So it was just like a fun, family-oriented activity that the kids got to do, but also felt a little bit like they were at school because they were doing this fun academic challenge just to get them excited and interested. So I challenge you guys. I'm going to give you this link and this pin to play this little teacher quiz, and then we'll see who wins on Sunday. Good luck.